Now, students, characters. What are the characters? And back. What do you know about the back cross? Back cross. It is the same as the original cross. That is involve the same traits, but traits carried by the opposite sexes. Example is in case of original case, male is tall and female is dark, but in case of back cross, female is tall and male is dwarf. Now, students, characters. What are the characters? Okay, characters. Characters. Characters are the distinct and characters are distinct and characters are distinct and well-defined morphological, well-defined morphological and and morphological and physiological features of the individual. For example, height, shape, color, etc. are the characters. Okay. Now, trait. What are the traits? Trait, distinguishable expression of a character. Distinguishable expression of a character is called trait. Okay. Now, for example, tallness, tallness, dwarfness. Okay, tallness, dwarfness, these are the trait, and these are related to character height. Distinguishable expression of a character is called trait. Okay, like in case of say round, another will be wrinkled. Wrinkled, round, wrinkled. Okay. Now, students, we will discuss about the Mendel's law. Mendel's law. Mendel's law. On the basis of his experiment, on the basis of his experiment, Mendel proposed three laws. Mendel proposed three laws. These laws are known as Mendel's law, known as law of inheritance. Known as laws of inheritance. Laws of inheritance. Mendel's law, also known as the laws of inheritance. These laws are first law of dominance, law of dominance, and second, law of segregation, law of segregation, law of segregation, and third, law of independent assortment. law of independent assortment. Okay, what are the Mendel's law? On the basis of his experiments, Mendel Mendel proposed three laws. These laws are known as laws of inheritance. These laws are law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Okay, students. Now, Mendel's first law. Mendel's first law. Mendel's first law. Mendel's first law. Law of dominance, law of dominance. Students, according to this law, when the cross takes place, when the cross take place, when the cross takes place, between the contrasting trait, between the contrasting trait containing parents, contrasting trait containing parents. Contrasting trait means one should be tall and another should be dwarf. Okay, contrasting trait containing parents. As a result of this cross, as a result of this cross, as a result of this cross, in progeny, dominant characters, dominant characters, dominant, dominant character, characters appear. Okay. According to this law, when the cross takes place between the contrasting trait, that is tall and dwarf, like this round and wrinkled, okay, containing parents, as a result of this cross, in progeny dominant characters appear. Okay. Now, this law can be, students, in next video we will discuss about the law of dominance again. Okay. It is enough for today. Thank you.